respected principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends. I am Manya Bora of class 5th, St. Francis Senior Secondary School, Tanakpur is extremely happy to introduce you to this channel on the occasion of Teachers' Day and Principals' Day program. Before we begin our virtual presentation, let us invoke the blessings of the Almighty. So here comes the students of class 5th, Ananya Sharma with prayer dance.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, and worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul, and worship Your holy name. The sun comes up, it's a new day drawing. It's time to sing His song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, let me be singing till the evening comes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, I worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul, I worship Your holy name. You're rich in love and You're slow to anger. Your name is great and Your heart is kind. For all Your goodness I will keep on singing. 10,000 reasons for my heart to find. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, I worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul, I worship Your holy name. And on that day when my strength is failing, the end draws near and my time has come, still my soul will sing Your praise unending. 10,000 years and then forevermore. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, I worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul, I worship Your holy name.
Prayer dance was heart-touching and emotional. Now I invite our respected Vice Principal, Sister Sheila, to welcome you all to this virtual presentation.
A very good morning to one and all. Respected Brother Maria Das, the Principal of St. Francis Senior Secondary School, Tanakpur. Reverend Brother Tom Allen, the Manager. Reverend Brother Benjamin, the Accountant. Teachers and all my dear loving students. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome each and every one of you to this virtual presentation of our lovely children of preparatory and primary on the occasion of Teachers' Day and Principals' Day celebrations. First of all, I would like to wish all the teachers a happy Teachers' Day And I honor you with the words from the Holy Bible, 1 Thessalonians chapter 1 verse 2. We give thanks to God for all of you, constantly mentioning you in our prayers. Teachers' Day is a celebration in honor of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. It is a day to acknowledge, to recognize and to pay tribute to teachers for their contribution to the growth of the nation, because it is the teachers who mold and shape the students to be true citizens of the country. Secondly, I am privileged indeed on behalf of St. Francis School staff to speak few words of appreciation to our Honorable Principal, Brother Mariadas, on his feast day. Thanks be to God for his indescribable gift. As the name suggests itself, Mariadas, Maria or Mary is the mother of Jesus and our Heavenly Mother, who constantly prays for the whole world. She is the powerful intercessor and the mediator who helps us to reach God. She is the Lord's favored one and full of grace. So also our principal, Reverend Brother Mariadas. Thus, as you all know, is the servant of God. Mary was the humble servant of God. She is the patron saint of our principal. So every year, Mother Mary's birthday is celebrated on 8th September. So we celebrate Principal's Day on her birthday. Our principal is a person of dynamic personality, having deep convictions, well disciplined, powerful, graceful, dealing with everyone with patience, highly intellectual, a good administrator and leader. His vast knowledge about technology and his great effort to conduct online classes, other online activities for the academic excellence to reach this institution to the heights is praiseworthy. On behalf of all our staff and students of St. Francis Senior Secondary School, we wish you a happy feast day on this virtual platform, and we wish you a good health, success in all that you do. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to assure you our prayers quoting from the Holy Bible, Psalm 91 verse 11. For he will command his angels concerning you to guard you all your ways. May you have all the joy your heart can hold, all the blessings a life can unfold, all the smiles a soul can share, and all the graces that love can bear. Once again, wish our principal, Reverend Brother Mariadas, a very happy feast day, and our teachers a happy Teachers' Day.
Here comes the little children of St. Francis School showing handwritten messages in a decorative cards to show their gratitude to teachers.
Thank you, teachers, thank you. You're the best, it's true. Take a bow, we thank you now for everything you do. From the early morning to the setting of the sun,
was lovely presentation. I am indebted to my father for living, but to my teacher for living well. Presenting before you a poem by nursery to 5th, expressing their love to teachers.
My name is Ryan. I study in class PMC. Good morning to all static teacher, principal, static and parents and my dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Teacher Day. Teacher, I love you. I will just for you. With reason and power for you. Thank you for the things you do. Thank you for all you do. Thank you. Human teacher, may wish wherever I am. Happy Teacher Day, Happy Teacher Day, Happy Teacher Day to all teachers. Happy Teacher Day, Happy Teacher Day, Happy Teacher Day to all teachers. You are best friend. You are your mother. You are my title five. Happy Teacher Day. Happy Teacher Day. Happy Teacher Day. You are my teacher. Hello everyone. My name is Harshington. I read in class LKG. We are celebrating Teacher Day. I sing a song. Teacher Day, Teacher Day, Happy Teacher Day, Happy Teacher Day, Happy Teacher Day. All my teachers, you are my best friend, you are my lifeline, you are my role model. I love you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Thank you. Namaste, ma'am. My name is Shanvi. मैडम मेरी कितनी अच्छी, हम बच्चों जैसी सच्ची, खेल खेल के हमें पलाती, खेलो अच्छी बात बताती. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे. थैंक यू. Good morning everyone, respected principal, teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Yuvraj Kumar. I lead in class UKG. Wish you all very happy Teachers Day. आज मैं आपके सामने एक कविता सुनाना चाहता हूँ. मेरी मैडम कितनी अच्छी, बच्चों जैसे कितनी सच्ची, खेल खेल में हमें पढ़ाती, ढेर सारी बातें बताती. हम बच्चों जैसे प्यारी मैडम, हम सबसे अच्छी न्यारी मैडम. मैडम मेरी कितनी अच्छी, खेल खेल में हमें पढ़ाती, ढेरों सारी बातें. धन्यवाद.
Hello everyone, my name is Anshito Jain. I am class first. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. You are my best friend. You are my role model. You are my right. You are my light of life. You are my gift from God. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. I love you, teacher. I persist, teacher. I thank you, teacher, for everything.
you could find to develop our personality and mold our minds. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, myself Trisha Kharkwal of class 2nd is going to recite a Hindi poem dedicated for my dear teachers. माताएं देती नवजीवन, पिता सुरक्षा करते हैं. माताएं देती नवजीवन, पिता सुरक्षा करते हैं, लेकिन सच्ची मानवता शिक्षक जीवन में भरते हैं. लेकिन सच्ची मानवता शिक्षक जीवन में भरते हैं. सत्य न्याय के पथ पर चलना शिक्षक हमें बताते हैं. सत्य न्याय के पथ पर चलना शिक्षक हमें बताते हैं. जीवन संघर्षों से लड़ना शिक्षक हमें सिखाते हैं. जीवन संघर्षों से लड़ना शिक्षक हमें सिखाते हैं. ज्ञान दीप की ज्योति जलाकर मन आलोकित करते हैं. ज्ञान दीप की ज्योति जलाकर मन आलोकित करते हैं. विद्या का धन देकर शिक्षक जीवन सुख से भरते हैं. विद्या का धन देकर शिक्षक जीवन सुख से भरते हैं. शिक्षक ईश्वर से बढ़कर है, यह कबीर बतलाते हैं. शिक्षक ईश्वर से बढ़कर है, यह कबीर बतलाते हैं. क्योंकि शिक्षक ही भक्तों को ईश्वर तक पहुंचाते हैं. क्योंकि शिक्षक ही भक्तों को ईश्वर तक पहुंचाते हैं. जीवन में कुछ पाना है तो शिक्षक का सम्मान करो. जीवन में कुछ पाना है तो शिक्षक का सम्मान करो. शीश झुकाकर श्रद्धा से तुम बच्चों उन्हें प्रणाम करो. शीश झुकाकर श्रद्धा से तुम बच्चों उन्हें प्रणाम करो. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे.
Good morning, respected principal, sir, teacher. My name is Pratik Prajapati. I am the student of class 3rd. My school name is St. Francis School. Today I am very glad to say the following few lines in praise of my teacher in Teacher's Day. Oh teacher, you have made a difference. For this you have used all your experience. You shaped our thoughts, changed our minds. You used the best method you could find to develop our personality and mold our mind with your actions, words throughout history. You have changed of the world, and it's not a mystery. You, the environment we see in all the things around, in discoveries, inventions, or theories you found, you will always remain in our memory, and your prayers for you will never stop. Thank you all of you, and once again, Happy Teachers Day.
Respected principal, teacher and my dear friend. Good morning. My name is Rida. My topic name is Teachers Day poem. My teacher is the best. She never ever rest. She work hard day and night to make us very bright. My teacher is like a light, showing right path to students. I learn new thing every day. There is always time to play. She is like a mother to me. That's why I am not afraid to be me. Thank you for listening me. East or west, all teachers are the best. Have a nice day.
Hello, I am Rudra Joshi of class 5th. Today, I am going to recite a poem on the very auspicious occasion